In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new contacts in Xero. If you're just getting started with Xero or looking to brush up on your skills, this guide will walk you through the process with clarity and simplicity. Let's dive right in. First, start by navigating to the top bar on your Xero dashboard. Here, you'll find a tab labeled Contacts. It's prominently displayed, so you shouldn't have any trouble locating it. Go ahead and click on Contacts. You'll notice a menu appears immediately after your click. From this menu, you should select All Contacts. This option will take you to a comprehensive list of your existing contacts within Xero, serving as the central hub for managing the individuals and businesses you work with. Next, it's time to add that new contact you've been thinking about. Look toward the top right corner of your screen, and you'll see a button marked New Contact. Click on it. This button is your starting point for entering the details of your new contact. Now that you've clicked New Contact, you're presented with a form to fill out the necessary information. Start by entering the contact details. If it's a business, you'll be able to input the company name. For those working with organizations, this is an important detail. Additionally, you'll have the option to include an account number associated with this contact. This can be quite handy for tracking and referencing purposes. Moving a bit further, consider who the primary person is for this contact. Often it will be someone you regularly communicate with at the organization. Enter their name so that all future communications are directed to the right individual. Following that, it's time to punch in the address. This is crucial, especially for sending invoices or any physical correspondence. Make sure to enter the complete address to avoid any future mishaps in deliveries or communications. Aside from the primary details, Xero also gives you the flexibility to input other business and financial information that might be pertinent. While not all fields are mandatory, more information can help streamline your bookkeeping and records in the future, so fill out as many fields as you feel are relevant. Once you've filled out the form with all the necessary details and double-checked for accuracy, look for the Save and Close button. Click it, and just like that, your new contact is added to your list. You've successfully entered the new information into Xero, and now you're ready to manage interactions with this contact seamlessly. Hopefully, this walkthrough has made the process of adding new contacts in Xero much clearer for you. With practice, this task will become second nature, and your contact management will be all the more efficient and organized. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.